Hi, and welcome to part 4 of our step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you will understand how to archive a Google Classroom, restore an archived class, and permanently delete a class. Imagine you have multiple classes each semester, and with each new semester, the number keeps growing. Without archiving your Google Classroom, dashboard can quickly become overcrowded with past classes, making navigating and efficiently managing your current ones harder. Archiving helps organize your workplace, ensuring you can easily access the classes that matter most. So how to archive a Google Classroom? Click on three dots on the class card, select archive from the drop down list. So it's depend upon you. Better you archived all your classes. Click on next and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click archive again to confirm. The class moves to the archived classes section. Students and co-teachers can view but not modify the content. Assignments and grades remain saved. So now you need to create current semester's classes. Where to find your archived classes? These are my new classes for this semester, and now I need to find my archived classes. So go to the Google Classroom home page, click on the main menu in the top left corner and select archive classes. You can access and review past material from the archived classes anytime. If you need to reuse an archived class, follow these steps. Navigate to archived classes. Find the class you want to restore. Click on the three dot menu on the class card. Select restore and the class will return to your active dashboard. To delete a class permanently, it must be archived first. So select delete and confirm the action. Remember, only teachers can delete a class permanently. Deleted classes cannot be restored, so download any necessary data before deleting. Thank you.